don't know why most forex instructors put trading psychology at the tail end of all lessons for a newbie in the world of forex. That is the way I was trained, and I've actually gone for 5, 6 trainings. Trading psychology is basically towards the tail end. I don't know the reason why, but I'm of the opinion that in trying to become a very successful trader, a profitable one for that matter, trading psychology at most should be lesson 5 for any newbie in the world of forex. The reasons are not far-fetched. One, as a newbie, you're going to be taught chart patterns, you're going to be taught candlesticks, different types of indicators, supply and demand, that's as being a professional level of trading. Towards the tail end, you get bored because there are so many technical types you're going to be interacting with. And there is the eagerness to quickly go into the forex market and start trading. So most beginners often take trading psychology less serious and they get their hands burnt when they go trading real life. It happened to me. I literally blew up my first account. But thank God there was somebody who believed in me, had funds again to trade. So I'm going to be sharing 5 useful tips on trading psychology for any newbie in the world of forex. One, when you are too happy or sad, stay on the market. You are not in the right frame of mind. When you are too happy, you become too overconfident. When you are sad, you become less confident. You are not in a neutral state. Basically, you are bound to make mistakes. You are bound to lose your capital when going into the forex market. So I would rather advise, if you are in a neutral state of mind, you are neither here or there, you are not sad or happy, you see forex as a game of risk and as a business where the man is interested in taking your own capital by enticing you. So those decisions you'll be taking will be well informed. Number two, as a newbie, our advice, stay off watching too much of those influencers, the big guys in the world of forex. You are going to lose your money if you copy them. Some of them have put so many years of experience before they got to that stage. And so if you watch them, they use very large lot size, sometimes 5, make £10,000, 10,000 US dollars. Immediately you have that kind of mindset, man, you don't have the money. You go into the forex to make money. You don't have the money. Even if you have the money, you're going to blow it up. So stay off watching too much of what they do. Learn from them, but stay off watching too much of what they do. Because you are going to be tempted to see the forex as a get rich syndrome. Whereas it is not. They put in years of experience and technical analysis before they got to that stage. Well, every newbie is expected, after learning so many things, to use a demo account. And when you copy these influencers, you start with 10 lot size, 30 lot size, because the demo account has huge capital for you to play around. You might be tempted to keep doing it when you have your own real capital. You're not going to have that huge amount of money when you want to first of all start trading. And you wake up maybe with £1,000 and start using a 10 lot size, you're going to lose your money. So stay off watching too much of those influencers on forex market. 3, patience. More patience. There is a phobia of Demand that we say, not passive demand, those banks, those guys behind it, the movement, the price values on the forex market, they present an opportunity to you and you are tempted to jump at that opportunity, whereas it's a big risk. So your ability to be patient. Look, you might have the best entry to trade and you skip it. Just stay off it. Another opportunity to come. It might take 4 or 5 days, 2 weeks, but wait for that low risk opportunity before going. Remember, you don't have that huge capital. They are interested in they are interested in making you invest that little capital you have, and they're going to grab it away from you. I've been told, when I got to that stage, when everybody is thinking of buying, what are those guys doing? They are thinking of selling. And in order for you to identify their movement, you must take time. You must work, be work, very, very patient. Revenge trading, number four. Oh, I did that. I just feel that no, they've just gotten this from me. I need to get back my money. And I end up losing more capital and more capital. That was what I did with my first account. I make some money, I lose some, and I feel no, 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 it can't just happen. This is it. Instantly, once you start that kind of trading strategy rather, you are as good as seeing forex as a scam. They are going to be always taking the money away from you. So avoid revenge trading. And lastly, which is very, very important, don't, as a newbie, I came here and said, oh, no, 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 I could actually always make ten pounds on the forex market every day. It is not like that. There's going to be raining day. Don't ever always believe you can make all the money in a particular day on forex market. Okay, every day, because there are days like that come 4 times in a week. The opportunity presents itself for you and you make money. But that does not mean it's going to be happening all the time. There are times that in the month of September, I traded twice. I made a loss, I made a profit. In the month of August, I traded 4 times. I made 3 profits, made a loss. In the month of July, I traded 29 times. I made 21 profits and 8 losses. For the month of October, right now, I've just traded once and it's a profit. So don't always see that every day you could make money on the forex market. Those guys behind the scene are not fools. They are tempting you to invest your own little capital and they're going to grab it away from you. So these are my honest experiences on trading psychology for any newbie in the world of forex. Kindly follow my channel for more useful tips